This video will show you how to add a new organization and site to your deployment. Start by going to the Resources module. Press this button to create a new organization. Name the organization and add other details such as their email address. Check this box if it is an internal organization. Enter the details of the primary site. Press the arrow icon to save and drill into the organization. From here you can edit or add to the organization details. You can also add more sites by pressing the yellow plus icon. Press Save when you have entered all the details. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.